In this video, we are going to look at the question library in quizzes and how we can use it to store all the quiz questions that we have from the class, either by creating new questions or importing them from old quizzes in order that we can reuse them. So in order to access the question library, we're going to first go to quizzes. And then right here, you can see question library. So we're going to click on that. Now you notice in the library, I already have some questions set up. I went in here and did these. I just have 10 test questions. 5 of them are true, false. 5 of them are multiple choice. So these are questions that I just created from right within here. So in the question library, you can create new questions. You could say, well, I want to make a new true, false question. And I'm going to call it test question 11. Make the answer true and save. And it is now here. And now if you go to create a new quiz, you can now access that question as well and include it on the quiz. The other thing you can do is say you've already created some quizzes and you don't have those questions in the library, but you would like to include them. We just come up here to import, and then we go to browse existing questions. Now you can see we do have one other quiz that we've done already with 2 little questions we had. So we can select them. Say you have a lot of questions here from lots of quizzes and you're trying to find the ones you want. You can find the source. So it says our first quiz here, but if you have multiple quizzes, you could pick the particular quiz right here. You can filter based on the types of questions. There are only 2 types here, but all the different types that were available, you could go here. And you can sort them as well based on points, question type, title, all those things. So that's going to help you find all those questions on your existing quizzes. But let's say we wanted to add these to our library. We just go there and click on import. And now we have built our little library here with all our questions. So this can be really useful for reusing questions in future courses or reusing the questions later in the course. Say you want to include some of these questions on your final exam or another cumulative, another cumulative assessment. There's a lot of other really interesting things you can do, like creating question pools and randomizing quizzes, which is what we're going to be looking at in the next topic.